Let's be real for a second. It's 2025. You wake up one morning feeling the weight of the world on your chest. You grab your phone, half expecting the worst. 37 unread emails, your bank account nearly empty, and worse. Some stranger in the comments acting like they know your life better than you do. Sound familiar? So what do? Panic? Freeze? Or something else? I want to tell you something that changed the way I face life's chaos. And it's a lesson passed down 2,000 years ago by a former slave named Epictetus. He said, "We don't control what happens to us, only how we respond." Sounds simple, right? But it's not easy, because life throws curveballs you never see coming. Last year I was blindsided, laid off with zero warning, no explanation, just a cold Zoom call. Pack your things. For an hour I was consumed by anger, frustration, and fear. Then I remembered something Marcus Aurelius wrote. The obstacle is the way. And in that moment, something shifted inside me. Instead of fighting the loss, I thanked it. Not because I was trying to be positive or fake happiness, but because losing that job forced me to face myself, to build something new. That's the Stoic mindset. Sometimes hitting rock bottom isn't the end. It's the beginning of the climb. Now imagine this. Life keeps tossing unexpected challenges your way. A canceled plan, a painful mistake, a shattered hope. You've got 3 seconds. Will you sink or adapt? I want to share a tiny story from last week. My girlfriend left the toilet seat up. The old me would have exploded, argued, made a mountain out of a molehill. Stoic me? I smiled and thought, guess she feels at home. It sounds small, but that shift in mindset, that's resilience building. The kind that lets you walk through storms without falling apart. Here's a simple test I ask myself now. Will this still matter in 3 days, 3 months, 3 years? If the answer is no, I let it go. Back in ancient Rome, generals carried reminders of death, memento mori. I keep a screenshot of a hate comment. You'll never make it. It used to sting. Now, it fuels me. Stoics didn't run from hate. They turned it into laser focus. Every morning I start with 3 truths. I'm alive. I have clean water. And I'm not fighting lions in some arena in 300 AD. Why? Because thinking the world owes you something makes you weak. Awareness keeps you steady. The world today is louder, messier, more unpredictable than ever before. But the Stoics thrived in chaos because they focused on one thing only, what they could control. So next time the storm hits, don't panic, don't give up. Get stoic. Strength isn't about running away from the storm. It's walking through it, soaked, tired, but unbroken. At the very least, don't cry in the rain. Now I want to ask you, what's your storm? What's the challenge that's been keeping you up at night? Drop a comment below. Maybe the next story will be yours. And until then, remember, strength isn't about perfection. It's about getting up again and again. Take care of yourself, my friend. Whenever you need to clear your head, talk, or sharpen your mindset. Stow West is here. The door is always open.